Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have a lot of animals. Some farm animals, some wild animals and some zoo animals. Let's learn their names one by one. Are you ready, toddlers? The first one is a rabbit. This is a rabbit. R is for rabbit. This is a rabbit. This is a tiger. This is a tiger. This is a zebra. This is a zebra. This is a zebra. This is a leopard. This is a leopard. This is a gorilla. This is a gorilla. This is a tiger. This is a tiger. This is a rhino. This is a rhino. This is a camel. C is for camel. This is a donkey. This is a donkey. This is a sheep. This is a sheep. This is a hippo. This is a hen. H is for hen. This is a panda. P is for panda. This is a cat. This is a cat. This is a leopard.